What's up, y'all? Happy holidays. This is Hayes Mobile Auto Repair in Jackson, Mississippi. All right, guys, we're in Fondren Hill Apartments today. We're working on a 2007 Santa Fe. I am on site, and there's the Santa Fe right there. The hood is already up for me. I was out here about 20 minutes ago, and she said she needs a starter. So, and it could possibly be a starter, but let me show you what I wanted to do first before I just go ahead and throw that starter on there. Ended up getting some of these at the parts store. I wanted to go ahead and get that repair done first because these were a total mess. As you see, they're all chewed up and they were loose. They were like that loose on there. So I said, you know what? Before I just throw a starter on there, let's go ahead and get these replaced because that could cause, you could have the same noise. What happens is when you turn the key over, you hear one click. That's all you hear is one click, like a bad starter's going out. But before you change the starter, if you got connectors that look like this, change the connectors first, okay? Just play it safe. Otherwise, you might have just bought a starter, $150 starter for nothing. So always start with your terminals if you're really not sure. And in this case, I'm pretty sure it could be the starter, but with them looking this bad, you got to get done anyways. So let's get that done, see if it starts up, and then we'll go for the starter. Okay? Go ahead and clean up your post. Okay? Get them nice and pretty. All right, start it up. Cross your fingers. There you have it. Shut it off. You just saved $150 today. How you feel? All right, that's what I'm talking about. That's why you got a $75 minimum to come out, because I'm here to help.
Right.
All right, so let me help. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten you up. And that'll be a wrap. Hayes Mobile Auto Repair, Jackson, Mississippi. Peace. So I can take this back. Don't have to do work for nothing. Some of you, and for some of you new mechanics out here, that's how you do it, man. You just don't throw on parts just because the customer says that's what I need. I had it checked out already. You do all your checks yourself. Don't trust any other mechanic's word and then have it be the customer's responsibility why it didn't fix the vehicle after you installed that part. That's just bullshit right there. So check every vehicle out, verify the customer's concern, and get the job done. And they'll always call you back. You'll be their new mechanic. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I got some more I have to do today. So peace. Oh, and for some of you that are wondering, how much was that service call? How much did you? I ended up getting $108, $8 for the part, and I got $100 in my pocket. Oh, but Hayes, you didn't do nothing. Well, let me tell you what I did. I did a mobile call down to the Fondren area, did my inspection, got back in my truck, went to the parts store, bought the parts, waited in line, bought some stuff with my friends over there, and went back to the Fondren and did the repairs. And that was an hour and a half of time right there. So it's $100 easy. I've done 4 of those this week, and that's one of the reasons why I post videos for that simple stuff that you should know already. Check your battery connections. That is the beginning of everything. When you turn that key, the first thing that you need is a battery and good battery connection. So you shouldn't have to call me for a battery connection, but if you need me, you need me. It's better than calling some guy out and says, man, I need a starter, and he puts that starter on for you and you still have the same problem. Now you just wasted money and you're pissed off. You'll never call that mechanic again. you're going to call me back because I'm going to make sure that you're right before I leave and save you money in the process. So, like I said before in these earlier posts, if you call me, you automatically should feel like a winner. I'm a winner, you're a winner, we're all winners. Happy holidays, y'all, I'm out. Clean up the area. If they're loose, what you want to do is you want to take the clamps off. You want to clean up the area with a wire brush, the post as well as the clamp, because loose connections cause heat, create heat, and heat creates a little non-conductive film around the post and the terminal, so you really won't get good connection even if you tighten up the clamp all the way. You know, it's tight, you can't move it, and the car still does the same thing. It's because you didn't clean them. You got to clean that non-conductive material due to heat because of a loose connection. Heat, loose connection, heat, film, no start. Clean it up, replace the cables, or clean it up and tighten them up, and you should be good. All right.